was also not recording, so. I was also not recording.
Oh, it's a shame. I mean, on the first lap, did you get the clips?
Is there
yeah,
anybody
I got
with
fucked.
damage? Does anybody have damage? Probably not.
But it's fine, it's probably a back marker anyway.
Alright, I'm gonna slow the pack down so that we can all catch up.
I'll fight my way back up.
But there
What
will
position
be
are
a
you in?
safety car in this lap, so Quantos, if you could type that, safety car in this lap. Alright, not King, you control the pace.
You're already going, motherfuckers.
Right, remember there's no curse for one lap, you cannot overtake before the line. No curse for one lap, full green flags.
People are so close together here.
No.
Yeah, and there's another safety car. Quantos, just drive backwards on track and pick them up. There's another safety car.
Can people just take the chicane normally, bro? It's insane.
I'll pick them up and then you can, like, I'll give them over to you.
I'm not slowing down, just like braking in like the last second.
Yeah,
that way.
Yeah, so that's smart. Car. That's smart for me. Where are you?
Me.
Oh, you're fourth. Nice, bro. Holy.
I mean, people making mistakes, that's mostly it. No one overtake.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, hope I can hold it.
Start going. Nice.
This is gonna
Scorpion,
be fucked
you
race.
have a lap request, please. Scorpion, flip your last lap.
I have someone who did an unsafe re-entry, almost spun out again.
I mean, if he's in front of you, you can make a penalty and you probably get like 3 same penalty.
No, he's behind me.
And gain a position.
People, if they crash it, they just press W, that's the problem. It's kinda nice here, back here, not gonna lie. They're so slow.
Say something, somebody?
Me, it's easier for you.
No.
Okay, perfect.
And I don't like that it's... Jesus. I don't like that they're going so slow while the pole car could be already be going.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're very far behind, and you can still drive full speed while the leader dictates the pace.
I can see the leader.
No, King is really taking his
So
time.
I can go into the bits after the 2
Yeah, of
laps.
course. No curse, by the way.
Yeah.
I'm just reminding, because it's already lap 7 and no curse at all. Like, I didn't use curse at all.
Same. Oh, knocking is scratched out.
place easy.
No king, I crashed
8,
out, I don't
he's
know.
8. Did you crash out of them?
Me?
Yeah.
Or light? No, no,
Okay,
no, no.
nice.
I'm third.
Yeah.
Oh shit, accidentally express. With adrenaline and shit.
Like, deliverance, bro.
I know. Was pressing too hard on my stick. They can go past.
My Jimbo also. Okay, now it's curse.
First is enabled this lap.
No.
Oh fuck.
Have another safety car.
Make sure you have safety car, okay. Did you lose something?
Only body work.
Who crashed you out?
Hmm?
Who crashed you out?
Nah, I spun myself and
Oh yeah, yeah, I know
just got
exactly
into
what
the middle
happened.
of everyone. What do I do?
like
Yeah,
I mean yeah, probably my tire on the curb and
yeah, outside of the
Yeah.
curb probably, or you braked on the curb and it
That's
just spins
me.
you so
Can
randomly.
they overtake me because I'm like in the middle
yeah,
of the grid?
probably that.
Oh yeah, you can. You should never pick up the middle of the grid. You can only
Yeah.
ever pick up the leaders.
I
Immediately
was-
overtake you. And we're gonna have safety car +1.
So I just stay back here.
Just go off track, yeah.
You can pit if you want.
Never pick up the
No,
pack if it's not
I
the leader.
mean I
It's safety car
can
+1,
do
so
oh,
just look if
We
people are.
have,
I can look for you if
one
people
more
are
lap
pitting
of
here.
safety car.
yeah. I mean
People that didn't spin were probably pitting. So
Yeah.
yeah, don't pit. You gain places. I don't know what your tires look like, so
orange.
Yes.
yeah, maybe pit if other people are pitting.
So I follow
No one,
people or
no one is pitting.
so I just
2
pit?
people pitting. Yeah,
Yeah,
if you
pitting.
want.
Sorry for that misunderstanding.
Fuck.
Raise
I'm disappointed,
beware of your
actually.
lag and
I
be
was doing
respectful
good and
of the
then
bubble.
stupid mistake.
It's fine. I think you climb back up.
No. Oh. Yeah, with the back.
It's really easy to climb up, but you have to like not be in crashes, you know. So you need to avoid them.
Mhm. True.
Like, not be too aggressive. Like wait for people to make a mistake because it's gonna happen.
Alright, we will have
Yeah.
safety car in this lap.
I
Safety
mean, I
car
did
is in
make
this
2
lap,
places
so
in
the
the
leader
pits.
will control the pace out of the.
Don't know how 2 people
on
pitted.
this
I was
downhill
like the
section
third one in
there.
and first one out. Like green
Oh, wow.
tires.
Yeah, their tires were probably spinning or some shit.
Mhm.
Could be. Or they had something broken.
Yeah.
Okay, it's starting. People are so close. Holy fuck.
Remember, there's no overtaking before the line, no curse for 1 lap.
probably have an advantage here because I pitted like lap 3.
The lane was touched me.
Yeah, that's raise, back flag. That's too much lag, sorry. Raise, if you could drive off track, you're teleporting so much. Watch out. Yeah, he's already off track. Right. Sorry, man.
Back flying well.
Jesus Christ, calm down. So curse is enabled this lap.
I overtook someone and didn't even know. What the fuck?
Two people at once.
Nice. Double overtake. Now I can finally use my race pace. Thank you, game. Holy fuck.
You're still on soft.
No. My mediums are already fucked. I don't even know how.
I mean, the mediums burn on this track really fast.
Be mindful of your
Yeah,
bubble.
but it's lap 11. I mean, they probably last till lap 16 or some shit.
Oh,
That's fun again.
nah, Devious was just on the fucking track in the middle of fucking nowhere and then crushed like 3-4 people and I was upside down.
Oh my
Hello,
god.
what's going on?
So I'm P7. That's what's going on. But I'm not bad. I'm not even mad.
Actually,
He was P4, but he got.
Mirror crash.
He,
I mean,
Yeah,
I did a
sucks.
spin, that's my fault, but then people, yeah, I mean,
You got crashed into you.
well, I got
Yeah.
spun like first corner. Not even.
I don't see any lag
Wait,
or
and you were in P2 or
deliverance, so it's
P3?
your
P3.
driver
I was
having-
P3.
I think it's so
Oh, yeah.
unfair that if Paul
Yeah.
Paul gets a
Yeah.
fucking check.
That's annoying. If you're on the inside, you will be much safer.
Yeah, I was on the outside like P4. Fuck me, like my Jimbo, I think. But I wasn't recording, so that's also good.
Yeah.
But I'm third right now because everyone's spitting. Yay.
Oh, okay.
Hey,
Just-
third.
Yeah.
Good job.
I pitted like lap 3 because I started on softs. My mistake, I guess.
Unfortunately, I can't see it.
I think I missed the checkpoint once.
Oh no.
So, is still a safety car or is it
Wait,
just-
are you on lap 13?
Can't check right now, wait. Should say wrong way, yeah, lap 15.
Oh, yeah, I can watch the
13,
stream, I
13,
guess.
13,
I'm
sorry.
watching the stream.
I'm I'm on lap 12, so yeah. I missed the checkpoint once.
It should say wrong way on your screen if you missed the checkpoint.
Nah, be honest, I did not notice it.
So is the strategy the same? Still.
Yeah, my tires are already fucked, and now I'm in clean air, so no beep yet, so I'm still gonna go. I'm probably gonna be P1 here. Yeah, I'm P1.
How many people do you think will have to pit as well?
They already pitted.
Okay. So are they on a different strategy or like?
Nah, I pitted lap 3 because I had the wrong tires. That's my strategy, I guess. And then there were like 4 safety cars, so.
Okay.
I'm gonna.
4 safety cars? No way.
Yeah, 3 or some shit. No one can take the weird ass chicane the same way as everyone else. So some people like go really far and then brake, and some people
There are yellow flags.
glide.
I don't think anyone noticed it that I'm like a lap down, because no one's calling blue flags.
You can respawn if you
Well,
think you're
respawn?
allowed to. Yeah, I mean you probably did a whole lap now.
Yeah, but it was some time ago.
I'm gonna pit here. Oh, my pit was bugging, bro.
People are so aggressive.
Well, if you are on a different strategy and you now have.
I'm still P1. What?
Wait,
How?
P1? Okay.
Yeah. I don't have
pitted
curse
already.
though. Yeah, I pitted and I'm P1 still.
Oh, what?
I don't know. I
How
don't
does
know.
this work? I thought you were like P3 and then all of a sudden you pit and then you're P1, okay?
And I already got spun. I already got spun.
Yeah, yellow
Oh.
flags.
What the fuck, bro?
Well, yeah, now I can see it on stream.
Can I?
Mr. Tino, you cannot be reversing on track. Mr. Tino, you cannot be reversing on track. Please clip that. Mr. Tino, that's
I got pushed. Oh, what is happening, bro?
26.
Bro, I can see it, yeah, on the stream. What the fuck was that guy?
Yeah, I lost my front wing.
Have you got it recorded?
What?
Have you got it recorded?
Yeah. But bro, I got pushed. Like, I'm not English.
Yeah, I know.
I don't care.
You make people just send it down there. They don't think.
Can this guy go past me? Fuck me, bro. Are you dumb? I love that when I'm doing well, I get like I didn't do one clean race lap when I was in front.
Yeah. How many laps to go?
Yeah, but what do I do if I miss the checkpoint because I got fucking pushed off?
Oh, yeah.
Like, do I do the whole lap again? Like, what is that, bro? Do I respawn on the track?
Something or wait for, but it doesn't matter like right now. Like, it's understandable that you didn't do that.
And of course it's Anthony. Like 3 people go up my inside. Like, what do I do then? Like, what racing line are they taking? No, course is first, of course.
I'm a lap down and I'm still passing people. Like, how is that possible?
I do not know, bro.
I thought this league was supposed to be good.
I thought too. I cannot get one clean racing lap.
I mean, I'm kind of fucked, I think. Because my tires beat like for the third time now and I'm still in sector 2.
Yeah,
I pitted
F3 is
2 times in 1 lap, so...
F3 is.
Oh,
My tires are clean as fuck.
I mean,
You guys just want to do well in this league. You know, survive and then get good points and then go to F3. Okay.
Like, bro, I did. I pitted on the safety car, lap 3. I was in front of all the people, and then 3 people got up my inside. 3, like, bro,
Yeah, I
at the
know.
same time. They were side by side, all of them.
So that's why you have to like see what they're going to do and then try somehow to avoid them.
17 laps, still medium.
I'm with you here, Joe Pepper.
Yeah, still a lap down though.
Okay, let me pass here. Right side. Thank you.
Yeah, there's
What
no
lap are
point.
we on?
No point keeping that position.
Yeah, my Jimbo is fast, so...
19 kilometers by
You got this. Good job.
Bro, you used all this curse. Just baited into it. Fuck. Can you fuck off, bro? Fucking Anthony.
Anthony, please keep it clean with Mr. Tino. There's already some penalties coming your way, I think, so please don't be overexcited.
Mhm.
I think he likes the way I smell.
What position are you in?
8.
Good job.
No, they're just so slow.
Oh.
Only thing backing me
Pascal,
up
we
is
have the lap check, please. Pascal, lap check, minute 38:50. Pascal, please clip your last lap.
only thing backing me up is crashes.
I mean, I can go slower and then... No, never mind. I'll just get blue flagged.
Where did Chorus go? Oh, you
Who?
probably...
Solo.
No, Chorus. He was P1.
Oh. Oh. Anthony lost his front wing.
Oh, deserved. I don't care. Bro, he fucked my race 2 times. Just chilling in P1, bro. Just spit it. And then he fucked me.
Yeah. Just giving penalties.
Yeah, maybe all 3 of them. I don't know who was in the...
No, he didn't lose his front wing. I mean, on my screen he lost it.
Yeah, happens a lot.
Yeah.
On my screen you lost like everything on your car when you spun.
No. We don't talk about that.
No, when you got spun.
No, I spun myself.
Yeah,
That's
but
my fault.
you got spun once too, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. Bro, I'm actually keeping up with Anthony, and I thought he was like really good.
He's not good at all. Bro, you got a
Wow.
P1 with red flags, like, bro. Do I have blue flags on your run?
Hmm?
No.
Nothing's calling anything on me. The blue flags. I mean, they don't realize.
Nah, I don't have blue flags on. Fuck my curse line though. I need it anyway.
What lap are we on?
Whoever asked for on lap 27.
Thank you for stuff.
Wish it was 27.
He said 27. I'm still on 25. Shit.
I'm putting on softs.
Yeah, I paused you.
Hey,
Right.
there you are.
Right, you can pause me.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, no need for me to holding you up. It's Anthony behind you, yeah? He's the one,
He
one
will be
person
careful.
below.
He knows
Yeah, I
I'm
mean,
faster.
he's not-
He's never
He's not
careful though.
going- Yeah. I mean, I'll keep in mind, don't worry.
I actually like that course wins. I hope he wins. He deserves it.
Bill Pepper, you need to be yielding blue flags if you're getting lapped. You need to be aware of cars around you. Sorry? What? Okay.
Is there extra blue if you get lapped twice?
Yep. Yellow flags turn 1, yellow flags turn 1.
I hope there's a safety car, and probably not.
Show Pepper your microphone is on.
What is that, bro? That's not even racing, that's just fucking hitting me. Or just defended and was just hitting me. Oh, this guy's annoying. Just once it's P9 so bad, but I'm just clearly fasting. He
Okay,
left.
so how are you doing?
He left? What?
How's it going?
P9, staying P9 I think.
No, it's good recovery.
I mean,
I know it's annoying.
I'm wondering if it's just my bad now, so it's happening every race.
No, it's F3. I also talked to Nick about this. It's because there's more drivers every race. Last season we didn't have as many drivers every race, and you're also
What lap are we on?
kind of equal on pace. Like some.
I'm faster.
than
I'm faster than
Yeah,
that.
okay, but like the midfield basically. So there's
Not
more
king
crashes.
lap check, please. Not king, please clip your last
That's
lap.
what it's
That's
meant to
minute
say.
48:30. Not king lap clip.
Just hoping for a mistake from fucking Snowy. Just my strategy was bad because I had to pit like 4 times. So I still had mediums on lap 26 and I had to pit for 29 or some shit.
Yeah.
Oh, I gained a lap, a place. Snowy had to pit. Oh, I might gain places.
How many laps?
2.
30. Okay, yeah.
Should I try to get fast lap on last lap?
Oh yeah, sure. Save up.
Yeah. At least get more points.
I have blue flags for 3D wrench coming up.
3D wrench, blue flags coming up soon.
Last lap there.
I'm back.
What happened?
My best friend called me,
Yeah, wrench full flags.
Oh, okay.
and he called me because I was drunk.
Perfect.
Then
I'm gonna try for fast lap on the last lap, so full focus.
Bro, I am keeping up with the leaders, but I'm on soft ice, so I mean, that's something, I guess.
Pascal Frost lap request. Pascal Frost, please clip your last lap.
3. Oh, I can give me.
I gained the place.
nice.
No, I didn't. I don't know what he's doing. He's just really slow, but oh, he let me by, I guess. I
Maybe
don't
blue
know.
flags? I don't know.
No, he's in front of me.
Hmm.
I think I went so smooth that I thought he was letting me by.
Get 3D range. Chili.
Nice, he's a lap in front. So
Wait, he's one up. Oh, okay. I thought they said that you were racing him.
Do I have
No,
fastest
no,
lap?
no, no.
Oh, wait, you cannot check.
where's fastest lap?
I don't know. I have no.
You
Wait.
can see it. If
Oh yeah, I do.
everyone
I do.
finishes.
21 flat.
You do? Oh,
It's not even close.
nice.
P7, I guess. Could be worse.
Yeah, no, that's good drive from you. It's just unlucky again. You know,
No, I mean, I'll try to.
can't do anything about
I
that.
need
I guess.
to change up my driving style in the first lap. But I'm mad I don't have a clip, but
I mean, the only thing I can
not
say is,
like we had the corner, the first
Yeah.
corner, and I got clipped. Like, what do I do? Is that my fault? I wasn't even going to the
If
inside
you-
or something.
Yeah.
I just kept my place on the outside because I knew I was gonna get crashed on the inside. But I
And
still.
you couldn't request a lap probably, so yeah.
Yeah, that doesn't matter anymore.
Oh,
Yeah.
Alright, GG's everybody, thank you for coming. Please, the top 3, if you want to be interviewed, please stay. I'll be moving you momentarily. Everybody else, thank you so much
Who
for
won,
racing.
actually, course?
And penalty submissions will be open
Won,
momentarily.
course,
Thank you so
yeah.
much
Yeah.
for coming.
I'd rather have course than light. Don't even.
Have a wonderful rest of your evening. Bye bye.
wow. That was pretty awful.
Ali, how many points did I get? P7 with fastest lap?